Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix Overwatch 2 game server connection fail error. And the first thing you need to do is make sure there is no any outages in server. You can easily check this on server status page and see if there is any reports or not for server down issues. Now the next solution that you can try is go to your Windows search and type ncpa.cpl and open up this control panel item and just right click on your Wi-Fi, go to its properties and scroll down, uncheck this Internet Protocol version 6 and check this Internet Protocol version 4, go to its properties and just type this DNS. In the preferred DNS, just type this, and in the alternate DNS, type this and then hit OK, then click on close and then completely close the Overwatch 2 game from your task manager. Then open it again and see if the problem is fixed or not. I hope after this solution your problem will be fixed, and if yes, please like this video and thanks for watching.